Hi! In front of me is REALME Narzo 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. You need to begin by opening device's settings. Now tap on Connection and Sharing. Select Print and tap on Default Print Service. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you want to use different print service though, you need to disable this one by tapping on this blue sweater. Then go back and tap on Add Print Service. Over here, install the best one for you, in my case HP one. And when it's ready, click on the back button twice. Lastly, just click on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!